Hello sis.
Hello, I want to open a role for my sister suitable for use at presentation or other events.
Yes sis, the clothes we offer are at affordable price and of course quality.
Wow, did you make this yourself?
Yes, sis.
That's great. You're still at school, but you can make your own robe.
Thank you sis for the compliment.
If I make now, it's not difficult for you to do it.
In my opinion, the only thing that's difficult is the color.
Yes, sis.
Wow, you guys are amazing. Then I also wear this robe, sis.
Wait sis.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you,
sis.
sis. You are welcome.